Drama set the fuck in, man. Hey, yo! Hey, Mo, don't test the aux cord, Mo. I'm not trying to hit none of them new niggas, man. Real loud, don't test the aux cord. You like, man, look, turn that shit up. I'ma turn it up then. Fuck you talking about, nigga? So we get a slide and shit, we in traffic. We see this bad ass nigga, he got the gold spokes on this shit. My old head like, Mo, look at that nigga. I'm like, son, we gotta go get them motherfucking rims. Fuck is that? Who that? Man Groundhog? He like, no, that can't be Man. So I'm like, alright, fuck it. So we get to pulling up on this nigga and shit. Man, we gotta see what's up. We need the whole car. Fuck you talking about? I get to running towards the nigga car. I ran right up in the door. Boom. Pulled the gun out. What's up? What's up, nigga? He's scared. He's shaking his shit. Oh, shit, what you want? What you want? Nigga, I want a burger, nigga. Extra cheese, bacon, everything, you bitch ass, nigga. He like, what else you want, man? You want my money? You want my phone? I don't want your motherfucking phone, nigga. Give me the motherfucking car. Fuck is you talking about, nigga? I need everything, nigga. Give me the motherfucking car. Give it to me right now. I'm not playing. Bow! Nigga got shot in the motherfucking head. Old head said, fuck all that. You wasting time. I'm like, damn, nigga, that's supposed to be me. I gotta run to the car. Get your fucking body out the car, nigga. Fuck out of here. Skirt! Get the bacon that shit, Mo. I got the nigga car, Mo. I got the rims on it. I'ma take the rims off this motherfucker and go put this shit on my car, nigga. Drama set the fuck out, man. Hey, yo!